Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is the second video lecture of adverbs and kinds of adverbs. If you are new to the channel, kindly subscribe it and press the bell icon as well. Let's revise the previous lecture quickly. Adverbs and kinds of adverbs. What is an adverb? An adverb is a word that modifies a verb, an adverb, an adjective, a preposition, and the whole sentence. Simply, we can say that except nouns, pronouns, and interjections, it explains every single thing. Now let's revise uses of adverbs quickly. Adverbs modify verbs. Examples: they walk slowly, she speaks loudly, the children are playing noisily. Now you can see that all the verbs like walk, speaks, and playing are modified by adverbs slowly, loudly, and noisily. Yes, adverbs modify adjectives as well. Example sentences: Anna is very pretty, he is too sluggish, he is rich enough to buy this house. Now in these sentences, pretty, sluggish, and rich are adjectives, and very, too, and enough adverbs are modifying it simultaneously. Adverbs modify prepositions as well. How? Let's see example sentences. The plane flew directly above our head. Above is a preposition and directly adverb is modifying it. They live exactly under my apartment. Under is a preposition and exactly adverb is modifying it. Last example. The guest arrived just in time. In is a preposition and just adverb is modifying it. Adverbs modify the full sentences as well. Example sentences: fortunately, I was not there. Sadly, he died. Yes, he is right. In these example sentences, fortunately, sadly, and yes are adverbs modifying the whole sentences. Adverbs modify clauses as well. Example sentences: he visits only when I am not here. Mangoes are sweet only when they are ripe. In these two example sentences, I am not here is a clause and they are ripe is also a clause, and both are modified by the adverbs only when. Adverbs modify phrases as well. They reached long before the time. In this sentence, before the time is a phrase and long adverb is modifying the whole phrase. Kinds of adverbs. We have revised 5 kinds of adverbs in the previous lecture, and in this lecture we are doing 5 more kinds. Adverb of reason, adverb of affirmation or negation, adverb of conjunction, interrogative adverb, and relative adverb. Adverb of reason. Adverb of reason tells the reason or purpose of an action. It answers why, like hence and therefore. Example sentences: he therefore left the college, she is hence unable to go. In these sentences, therefore and hence is just modifying words in terms of reason. Adverb of affirmation or negation. Like the name itself is telling, adverb of affirmation confirms the action and adverb of negation denies the action in a sentence. Adverbs of affirmation are yes, surely, certainly, undoubtedly, definitely, absolutely, etc. And adverbs of negation are words like no, not, never. Examples: yes, we went there. He will never visit him. In these two sentences, yes is adverb of affirmation and never is adverb of negation. Interrogative adverb. Interrogative adverb used to ask questions. Interrogative adverbs are words like when, where, why, and how. Examples: when did you go? Over here, when is the interrogative adverb of time. Where do you live? Where is the interrogative adverb of place. Why are you misbehaving? Interrogative adverb of reason. And how did you do this? Interrogative adverb of manner. Last one is relative adverb. Relative adverbs are used to join sentences or clauses. Relative adverbs are words like when, where, and why. Example sentences: I know the time when he will come. I know the place where he was born. Everyone knows the reason why he was angry. In these sentences, when, where, and why are joining two clauses. That is all about adverbs and kinds of adverbs. Hope you all have understood it nicely. If you liked the video, kindly like and share. That's all for today. Take care.